securely bonds interior and exterior trims, resists heat and vibration, prevents detachment, restores damaged parts, and ensures long-lasting automotive durability. My today's video is about top 5 best plastic trim adhesives for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Adhesive double-sided tape heavy duty. This heavy-duty double-sided mounting tape delivers a surprisingly strong and versatile bonding solution for both automotive and household use. With a 36.5-foot roll and 1.1 mm acrylic foam thickness, it provides reliable support for up to 3 pounds per 2 inches, making it suitable for trims, badges, LED strips, and lightweight panels. Its flexibility allows it to conform to uneven surfaces without cracking, while the stretchable design ensures easy customization for different applications. The waterproof and temperature-resistant adhesive performs well in harsh environments, including rain, humidity, and heat exposure, making it ideal for both interior and exterior use. Installation is simple: just peel, stick, and press, with the added benefit of repositioning before full curing. Over 72 hours, the bond strengthens to maximum durability. From automotive detailing to home DIY projects, this tape replaces screws and drills efficiently, offering a clean, damage-free mounting solution. It is a cost-effective, professional-grade choice for long-lasting, secure installations in any environment, highly recommended solution overall. Now our second product is Adhesive double-sided tape heavy duty. This 1/2 inch heavy-duty double-sided tape delivers a strong, reliable bonding solution for both everyday and professional applications. With a length of 15.4 feet and 0.045 inch thickness, it offers a balanced combination of flexibility and strength, making it suitable for mounting, sealing, and repair tasks. Its high-viscosity adhesive ensures a firm grip on smooth surfaces like glass, metal, plastic, tiles, and wood, while resisting water, temperature changes, and abrasion for long-lasting performance. The waterproof foam structure effectively blocks moisture, making it especially useful in kitchens, bathrooms, and automotive environments. It performs well for LED strip lights, car trims, signs, mirrors, and home decor installations without leaving residue behind. Easy to use: just peel, stick, and press. It eliminates the need for screws, glue, or heat tools. However, it is not suitable for rough or textured surfaces. Overall, it's a practical, clean, and durable mounting solution for versatile indoor and outdoor use. Our third product is Sunia 5 rolls of vinyl tape. This fine detail masking tape set is designed for precision work where clean edges and controlled application matter most. With ultra-thin widths ranging from 1/16 inch to 3/4 inch and a total length of 36 yards per roll, it offers excellent versatility for intricate automotive and motorcycle paint detailing, graphics, and narrow curve masking. Made from durable vinyl material, the tape is waterproof, flexible, and reliable, ensuring consistent performance even in demanding conditions. Its strong yet controlled adhesion allows it to conform smoothly around tight edges and grooves without lifting, helping achieve sharp, professional paint lines. Despite its grip during use, it removes cleanly without leaving residue, maintaining a neat finish and eliminating extra cleanup work. Heat resistance adds further reliability during painting tasks. The package includes 5 rolls in different widths, providing great value and flexibility for multiple design projects. Overall, it's a practical, professional-grade solution for precision masking and creative detailing work. Now number 4, Fixbear 300 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature heavy-duty. This Fixbear foam mounting tape delivers a professional-grade bonding solution designed for both automotive and household applications where strength and heat resistance matter. Rated up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit 149 degrees Celsius, it performs reliably in high-temperature environments such as dashboards, engine bays, and sun-exposed surfaces without softening or losing adhesion. The inclusion of an adhesion promoter significantly enhances bonding performance, especially on challenging materials like plastic, rubber, and painted metal, creating a more industrial strength hold. Its 0.5-inch width makes it ideal for precise automotive installations such as trims, emblems, spoilers, and shark fin antennas, offering a clean, drill-free finish. Once applied, it resists vibrations, moisture, and weather exposure, making it dependable for long-term use even through car washes and seasonal changes. The closed-cell foam structure also provides strong water and humidity resistance, making it suitable for LED strips, bathroom accessories, and outdoor fixtures. Overall, it's a versatile, durable, and high-performance mounting tape for demanding DIY and automotive projects. And our last choice is 3M Super Strength Molding Tape. This high-performance bonding solution, 3M VHB tape, delivers true permanent attachment strength for automotive trim, side moldings, and emblems on both interior and exterior surfaces. Designed for demanding applications, it creates a long-lasting bond that effectively replaces traditional fasteners like rivets and screws, offering a clean, professional finish without drilling or visible hardware. Its weather-resistant formulation performs reliably in extreme conditions, with a wide temperature tolerance from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring stability against heat, cold, moisture, and impact. This makes it suitable for year-round vehicle use in harsh environments. One of its standout advantages is ease of application. Simply cut, apply, and press, eliminating the mess and curing time associated with liquid adhesives. The tape is also highly conformable, allowing it to bond securely to irregular, curved, or textured surfaces without losing grip. With aircraft-grade adhesive strength backed by 3M engineering, it provides a durable, vibration-resistant metal-to-metal bond, making it a trusted choice for professional automotive and industrial-grade installations. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.